What's up and welcome back to another 2-Minute Tuesday here on Let's Check It Out with Sergio J. Now I know I've been MIA for a while. I am totally sorry about that, but I am back, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you how I created this shirt I'm wearing. So if you want to see how I did this, then keep on watching. 2-Minute Tuesday starts now. Now, the way I did this shirt, I'm going to be showing you here. And I got a shirt, I soaked it in the sink, I drenched it in water, I took it outside and I laid it on a table. I had to make sure if you guys want to do this, you lay it on a flat surface. And then I got a fork and I pinned it in the middle of the shirt. I used the fork to turn it, and I turned it and it turned the shirt into like a rosette. And then from there I got some rubber bands, I tied them so the shirt could keep its form. And then after that I just got a spray bottle and put some Clorox in it. I sprayed the top of the shirt, I sprayed the bottom, I flipped it over and I sprayed the bottom. And so I let it sit for about 3 to 4 hours. I'm not sure, I didn't keep track of it exactly, but between that time I kept on flipping it. I'm not even sure how often I was flipping it, but I kept on flipping it just to make sure it was I kept seeing the color stay consistent on both sides. After that I threw it in the washer and I washed it, I dried it, and then I ironed it because after it came out of the dryer, it was still like really wrinkled. But yeah, this is it, you guys. I really love how it came out, as you can see. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Bye guys.